Look, when the sulfur burps first hit, you will know about it, and the only way you're going to survive is to take something called molybdenum. Molybdenum metabolizes sulfur, and believe me, I did 7 weeks without it, and it was awful, especially when I ate chicken. I don't know if you found that chicken is the worst. God's My Journey contains molybdenum. It makes up for 21 nutrition gaps for people like us. And even though I've technically finished my journey now, I still take this every single day. I'm going to tag it for you. It is on special offer. Stock up.